Class 3, Marigold, Unit 6. The story of the road. It is early morning. The road is asleep. Everything is quiet. But listen, the birds are calling softly. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. Chirrup, chirrup, chirrup. Caw, 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 says the crow. Caw, 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 wake up, wake up. Here is someone else now. Tring-a-ling, tring-a-ling, it is the newspaper boy. Tring-a-ling, tring-a-ling, says his bicycle. Tring-a-ling, wake up. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. Chirrup, chirrup. Caw, caw, says the crow. Wake up. Who is this coming now? It is the vegetable man. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, says the vegetable man. Potatoes, cucumbers, radishes, carrots. Caw, says the crow, wake up. Chirrup, chirrup, said the sparrows. Tramp, 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 tramp. Chatter, 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 chatter. Who are these? They are children going to school. Chatter, 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 talk the school children. Tramp, 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 go their shoes. Peas, carrots, cabbages, calls the vegetable man. Chirrup, 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 say the sparrows. Caw, caw, says the crow, wake up. Caw, 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 says the crow. Caw, caw, wake up. Wake up, asks the road. Can't you see, you foolish bird? I am wide awake. Written by Poile Sen Gupta. Jingma takachuan kongpui hi amuhila engkim hi are thupa ma se ngai thate savate chudam diai dan shama chirap 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 chongjong chuan atia chirap 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 ko 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 chawak chuan atia ko 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 thoro u heta hi midang alo kale tringaling tringaling chanchin bu semtu mi panau pang ani e tringaling tringaling asai kalin ati e tringaling thoro chirap 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 chongjongin ati chirap chirap ko ko thoro chawakin ati tuna local hi tunge thaishing zwar tupa ani hi be parbor ziklum ti in thaishing zwar tu chu ava alu fangma bului carrot ko thoro u chawakin ati chirap chirap chongjongin ati pen ri chok chok alori a tramp 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 phun ri nok nok te chatter 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 tu tinge anni no pang school kal tur anni hi an tong ri nok nok mai school no pang te chu pen ri chok chokin an phei khok ari a be carrot ziklum ti in thai thar zwar tu ava chirap 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 ti in chongjong an shama ko ko thoro u ti in chaw a ka shama ko 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 ti in chaw a ka shama ko 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 thoro u kongpui chu thoro atia imhulawami nang sava tak ka har chiang lutuke kongpui chuan alo ti a new words newspaper chanchinbu cucumbers fangma cabbage ziklum potatoes alu radish bului cauliflower parbor foolish a mol